Welcome to our custom space where dreams take flight. A party visions come to life. It's a
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel Custom Carving and Epoxy UK. And this is going to be a really quick video and I'll tell you why. It's currently 5:30 in the morning and I've decided to do this before I go to work. Now, if you watch my last Temu unboxing video, I can't for the life of me figure out what this is. Somebody suggested it was a cat. Somebody suggested it was a bear, and I haven't got a clue what this mold is, so we're going to pour it and see what happens. To me, I couldn't stop laughing because it kind of looks like it's got a pair of boobies in the centre, but there we go. What do you think? What do you think this mold is going to be? And it's kind of a mystery mold, so we will see what happens and what we're going to get. So who knows? And it's going to be a dead straightforward pour, so don't expect this to be a 40-minute video. It's going to be pretty straightforward. All I'm going to do is mix up two different colours. I'm going to use two of the Create and Bloom colours, and I've picked out Silver Birch and Aqualesia because they're two colours that I haven't used yet, but I think they'll complement each other beautifully. So I'm going to mix those up now and see what we get. Dead straightforward. Then we're going to pour. Then we're going to see what happens, you know. It's going to be exciting just by the fact that I haven't got a clue what this mold is, you know, and that is part of the fun as well. Sometimes just not knowing. And all I'm going to do, you see I've mixed up those two pots at the side. I'm going to pour whatever clear's left in here like so, and still hope it's all going to mix up like that. So just a little bit, because sometimes that creates almost a crackle effect on the surface, which I love. So let's go with the Silver Birch first. And hopefully with the temperatures in the UK at the minute, I might even be able to demold this tonight, because I am finding that the resin is curing a bit quicker with it being a bit warmer. But as you can see, with these pigment pastes, you don't need a lot. I'm just stirring it around, and whatever's going to be left on that stick is what I'm going to use. So they go a long way. And that's what I love about them. You know, you don't need a lot, and they are opaque. So this is about 2 ounces of resin, I think, because I mixed up 4. And I'm just mixing it round. Just whatever was left on that stick should give us that fully opaque colour. And so just mixing it round. Look at that, beautiful. And it's almost like a slightly light grey, this Silver Birch, like the tree. And I love the tree. I actually use it a lot in wood carving when I can find some, because it carves really well. So I'm just mixing it around, making sure it's all thoroughly mixed. And that is your Silver Birch. Absolutely beautiful colour though. Just a off-white, slightly grey, like the tree. So there's that one. Now, obviously, you always want to wipe your stick between. And all I use is standard baby wipes, which I've always got a pack at the side of me. It's the cheapest way to do it. And you know what? They work fine for things like this. So just wiping that cocktail stick off now, and you'll probably see the colour a bit better, actually. Slightly offish grey. Which, no matter what animal it is, it should work and it should go. Hopefully. And if you want some of these Create and Bloom pigment pastes, get over to createandbloomcrafts.com. And if you've not seen the live where we had Lou on, go back and watch that. It was a great fun live where we just heard more about Lou's story as well. And again, you know, if you've not seen the resin lives, get involved on a Tuesday at 8 PM. We do one every week where we get to meet new artists behind the hands. And if you are liking any of my content, guys, do me a favour. Just like and subscribe to the channel. It makes a massive difference. It lets YouTube know that you like it, and it pushes it out to more people. So this is the Aqualegia. And we've also got memberships open. Now, this month, we did a prize draw where instead of one giveaway, I gave away 3 pieces of my art. So we had 3 winners. And for the cost of a coffee, it's just a fun way to support the channel. We do a free prize draw where every member's entered every month, and you can win a piece of my art shipped to you wherever you are in the world. So this is the Aqualegia, and look at that, beautiful purple. Just like the flower, strangely enough. So here we go. And then I'm just going to literally pour these in. If I've got any spare as well, you know me, I've got a drip mold at the side that I'm trying to fill. Let's have a look at that colour. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful. So, I'm going to start, I think, with the darker colour on this. So I'm going to start with the Aqualegia and just pour a little bit into that clear that I've already poured, like so. And as I say, this is just, again, this is a fun way to pour resin for me. And it's just almost puddle pouring it. And hopefully with that little bit of clear that's on there, and I don't think I needed anywhere near 4 ounces of resin for this small mould, but I've mixed it now. So we're going to see. And as you can see, I'm just layering it. I'm not after a particular marbling effect or anything like that. Really, I just want to see what this mould looks like demolded, because I can't remember what it is. And that, again, it makes it a fun little pour. Hopefully a fun little video to watch, because it's not complex. It's not one of my technical videos. It's just pouring to see what we get, you know. And I'm just going to top it up with the Aqualegia. And then hopefully this will be ready to demold tonight. As I say, because of the temperatures. And then I can get this video out so we can all see what it is together. I think that's full. Or maybe a tiny bit here. I'm just looking. Again, trying to just give it a little bit of a squidgy. I don't want to disturb it too much because I actually like that effect. So I'm going to leave that now to pretty much cure up. And the rest can go in this drip mould that I'm working on. So I'll see you guys at demold. So here we go, guys. I'm back from work. It feels cured, so I'm going to demold. So we're going to see if it's a cat with boobies or what it actually is. But I'm loving that, the effect from those two different pigment pastes, which was the Aqualegia and the silver birch. So let's see what this mould actually is. Any guesses in comments? Let's have a look. And before we see what it is, do me a favour, like and subscribe to the channel. If you're watching on your telly, point your camera at that QR code and click subscribe. We're nearly at 8,000. We're probably going to be over 8,000 when we do this, but we're not stopping there. I want us to get to 10,000 over the next couple of months. So do me a favour, like and subscribe. And if you can, join memberships as well. It's a great way to support the channel. So, lovely soft mould actually. It's a hippo. Oh, wow. I actually love the way that that's come out. What do you think? Of course, a little hippo. So we've got a little purpley white hippo. It's not a cat with boobies. They were the eyes. I love this one. And I don't think I've seen this one before. So really cute little hippo. I think it's a matte mould. But do you know what? I actually like that in this. I could shine it up with a bit of UV. I'm just weighing it up. Or do I like it matte? I actually quite like it matte. Let me know what you think in comments. Should I give him a shine? Or should I leave him matte? Because, do you know what? I think it looks really cool like that. And it almost gives like a texture of what I think a hippo skin would feel like. But let me know what you think. So there we go. Mystery solved. We know what he is. It's a giant hippo. So he wants you to like and subscribe. So please do so. And I'll see you on the next video.
Welcome to our custom space where dreams take flight. Positive visions coming to life. It's a perfect sight. We born together, blooming free, resin family. Testing like us, new creations. We set them free. Join our journey, like and subscribe. This is our place. Ocean seas to dragons and blooms we carve with grace. Welcome to custom carving, where dreams come true. Epoxy magic flowing just for me and you. Masterpieces rising, crafted with our hands.